Is it time to buy or sell Forward Industries stock? In this video, we will explore Forward Industries in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 5th of September, 2025, and now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You will not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 26th of August 2025, our system has ranked Forward Industries as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 7.53. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 40.87% since we first identified Forward Industries as a buy candidate 8 days ago. This translates to an average return of 5.11% per day since it was classified as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout at the upper trend line, specifically at a price of $16.93, would initially suggest a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 124.53% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 58.65% and 132.45%. When considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 212.43%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 41.85% to 129.86% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $23.20 and $37.59. Our latest daily update for Forward Industries includes the headline, High Volatility in Forward Industries Stock Price on Friday, which ended trading at $16.36. The Forward Industries stock price gained 9.32% on the last trading day, Friday, the 5th of September, 2025, rising from $14.96 to $16.36. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 15.23% from a day low at $14.51 to a day high of $16.72. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 58.02% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 78,000 more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 122,000 shares were bought and sold for approximately $1,990,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of stock was $16.72 and the lowest price was $3.10. Currently, the price is 2.18%, or 36 cents, below the 52-week high, and 71.54%, or $41.12, below the all-time high on the 16th of February, 2021, when the price reached $57.47. Forward Industries is currently in the spotlight this summer as it reminds shareholders to submit their votes ahead of its annual meeting, scheduled for August 8, 2025. Ballots must be submitted by the night of August 7th. This routine event, focused on governance, can initiate short-term trading around items sensitive to the vote. Operationally, Forward's subsidiary, Intelligent Product Solutions, has demonstrated significant momentum this year. Key developments include a leadership change that has elevated Bob Weil to the position of CEO, a New York Product Design Award for the Eon Laser, entry into Zebra's Partner Connect program, and ongoing efforts on digitally enabled hospital-at-home projects. Together, these achievements strengthen Forward's strategic narrative, acting as clear indicators of product validation, access to channels, and continuity in management. In the short term, anticipate modest sentiment-driven fluctuations in response to the shareholder meeting reminder and any outcomes from the votes. However, looking ahead, The successful commercialization of IPS innovations and sales driven by partnerships could significantly enhance Forward's revenue profile and warrant a reevaluation of its valuation. It is important to note that execution risk, the liquidity of small-cap stocks, and competitive dynamics mean that potential growth is contingent upon sustained contract wins and measurable increases in revenue. Analysts have assigned Forward Industries stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Forward Industries. The Forward Industries stock displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast. Additionally, a general buy signal is present as the short-term average is above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $14.64 and $12.29. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, August 20th, 2025, and the stock has since risen by 65.37%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may influence short-term developments. Moreover, a sell signal currently exists from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 12 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 45 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 7 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 102 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 95 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Forward Industries. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $14.60 and $13.41. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this could lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, Forward Industries finds support just below today's level at $14.60. If this is breached, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $13.41 and $12.50. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as very high risk. In the last day, this stock fluctuated by $2.21 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 15.23%. Over the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 13.01%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Forward Industries, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we need to discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, a pattern of negative PE ratios may suggest ongoing profitability issues and possible bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 26th of December, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Forward Industries. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine the optimal time to exit. On the downside, Forward Industries encounters its first support level at $14.60. If this support level holds, it could serve as an advantageous entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Forward Industries from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 1st of June in the year 2025, when Shah Sangita conducted an insider purchase of 12,147 shares of stock options, which grants the right to buy. Our recommended stop loss is set at $15.74, representing a decline of 3.78%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, resulting in significant risk. There is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 11 days ago. Is Forward Industries stock a good buy? Forward Industries displays several positive indicators and is currently on a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we believe it is a wise choice at these present levels, and we anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis for this stock from a buy to a strong buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 8th of September, we expect Forward Industries to open lower by approximately $0.493, starting at $15.86. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day with warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.